Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to need to make our own ruler so that we can practice measuring to the nearest quarter inch. Your teacher may have sent home a printable ruler that looks a lot like this one, where you can see that we have 1 inch intervals. This may be something that you're familiar seeing from 2nd grade. In this lesson today, we're going to be using this ruler or one that we make ourselves to make quarter inch intervals. If you don't have this ruler printed and ready for today's lesson, that's fine. I'm going to show you how to make one using something we learned in 2nd grade known as mark and move. You can take a regular piece of white paper, such as this. You're going to fold it in half, long ways, or hot dog fold, and match corner to corner. Then you're going to take this new half and you're going to fold it again long ways, matching corner to corner. You should have one side that is nicely creased and another side that is open. If you want to tape the open side to make both sides flat and so that it doesn't fold open, that's fine. With the creased side of your ruler facing up, this will be the top of our line. We need to measure out 1 inch. We might remember from 2nd grade that 1 inch is about the size of our knuckle from joint to joint. But sometimes it's hard to do mark and move using our knuckle. You can find another object around your house that might be about the same width from your knuckle to your knuckle. I found an eraser, which is about the same width. So I'm going to use my eraser to practice mark and move, just like I did in 2nd grade, and make my ruler. I'm going to place the ruler, edge of my ruler, and the edge of my eraser all the way at the very end. And then I'm going to take my pencil or pen, and I'm going to make a mark. Then I'm going to move my eraser, line it up with the edge of my mark, and I'm going to make another mark. I'm going to keep doing this, lining it up with the edge, make my mark, and then move. This is just like we did with our inch tiles in 2nd grade when we did mark and move. You can continue on and finish your ruler across the page. The next thing you can do, I'll get closer so you can see. The next thing you need to do is you need to mark your whole inch intervals. All the way at the edge should be your 0, and this first line should be 1. The next one, 2, and the next one, 3. In this lesson, you will learn more about quarter inch intervals. I have just shown you how to make a ruler with 1 inch intervals. You may want to have this prepared before you start your lesson today. Your teacher will pause your lesson to give you an opportunity to make your quarter inch intervals. Have fun making your ruler.